Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT login error. So here's a detailed guide to troubleshoot and fix a ChatGPT login error. First, check your internet connection. I'm going to walk you through the steps. Now, ensure your device has a stable and active internet connection. Switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data to see if the issue resolves. Step 2. Verify ChatGPT server status. So visit the OpenAI status page to check if the ChatGPT service is down or experiencing issues. So in your web browser, just go ahead and type in OpenAI status page. From there, you'll be able to check if the ChatGPT service is down or experiencing issues. If there's an outage, just go ahead and wait until the service is restored. Step 3, clear your browser cache, your browser cache and cookies. So open your browser settings and navigate to the privacy and security section and clear cache and cookies. So if you're using Google Chrome, go to settings, then go to privacy and security and go to clear browsing data. And that's it. Click on the three dots menu here and downward to here. Click on delete browsing data and you're provided with this. Now we can delete this. You can choose browsing data, browsing history, cookies, or cache images and files and click on delete data and you'll be good to go. For other browsers, there are other steps that you can take, but this could just be similar. Now restart your browser and try logging in again, which could help you. Step 4, disable browser extensions. Now, some browser extensions like ad blockers or VPN can interfere with the login process. So ensure that you disable all extensions temporarily. How do you do that? In Google Chrome, go to settings, go to extensions and toggle off all extensions. Then refresh the ChatGPT login page and try again. Step 5, update your browser. An outdated browser can cause compatibility issues. So ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. And how do you do that? In Chrome, go to settings, go to about Chrome and check for updates. Step 6 is to try incognito/private mode. Now open a new incognito/private window in your browser and navigate to https://chat.openai.com and attempt to log in. This bypasses issues caused by cache data or conflicting cookies. Then step 7 is to use a different browser or device. Switch to another browser, example Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, or try accessing ChatGPT on a different device. If the login works on another device, the issue might be specific to your original browser/device setup. Step 8, reset your password. If the error is related to incorrect login credentials, just click Forgot Password on the login page, enter your email address, and follow the instructions to reset your password. Step 9, check for account suspension. If you suspect your account might be suspended or flagged for some reason, look for any email from OpenAI about account issues, then contact OpenAI support for assistance. And I'm just going to give you the 10th one, which is pretty much the last for this tutorial. Contact OpenAI support. Now, if none of the above steps work, just contact OpenAI support team. Now go to OpenAI Help Center and use the Submit a Request option and provide details about the error, including screenshots if possible. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.